Welcome to another Techneo tutorial video. In this video, we are going to walk you through the steps of changing your name on TikTok. Whether you're updating your account name or reflecting a recent name change, this tutorial has you covered. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving it a thumbs up for support. To begin, open the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device. Once opened, head to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, select Edit Profile. Now, find the option to change your name and enter your desired new name. Remember, TikTok allows name changes once every 7 days, so choose wisely. After entering your new name, tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen. Return to your TikTok profile to confirm that your name has been successfully updated. If not, try closing the TikTok app and reopening it. Your name should now reflect the changes you've made. That's it. You've successfully changed your name on TikTok. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Techneo for future tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.